Hello friends, welcome back to Learn-It-Guide tutorials. In this session, I will show you how to create and use our own SSL TLS certificate for our application on Ingress Controller. Users will be able to access our applications over HTTPS. Already I have one application that is running on Kubernetes behind Ingress Controller that works only over HTTP for now. This is the Ingress rule created for the application I have, and the domain name is keynote.learnitiguide.com. This Ingress is already applied. I use Haproxy Ingress Controller for load balancing and virtual hosting. Already this domain is configured, so I would be able to access my application from outside the cluster. So currently this is working only with HTTP port. So this is my entire current setup. From here I will show you how to create a certificate for our application from the server itself, and it would be a self-signed certificate, and we'll show you how to use it in the applications. If you want to know about Kubernetes from basics and don't know how to set up Kubernetes cluster and don't know the basics how to run applications on the Kubernetes with Ingress, then check out our previous videos. This is another video from our Kubernetes tutorial series. Related document of this video and other links are mentioned in the description below. Refer those links to understand this session much better from basics. If you still didn't subscribe to our channel, do subscribe now and make sure to click the nearby bell icon to not miss any interesting videos. Let's get started. Use kubectl get secret to list out for any existing secrets are available in our Kubernetes. I have two secrets being available for now. The first one is being used by Kubernetes service account, and the second one is a dummy one. We can use this certificate as well. Let me show you first how to use any certificate in Ingress. Then I will show you how to create the new one. So just open the Ingress rule file. This is the general Ingress rule file I have created for my application. Here add a section for TLS under spec. Here you have to define the list of domain names with host options which all are going to use this particular certificate. Then specify the secret name with secret name options. Here under this host you can define multiple domain name, but here I have only one domain, that is keynote.learnitiguide.com, so I am going to use only that particular domain name. Just save and exit from here. Apply the changes using kubectl apply command. So it is applied. Just go to browser and refresh again. So it is a general warning. Just proceed to keynote.learnitiguide.com. But this is a general warning from the browser, as the certificate I used is not certified by any public certificate authority. If you use the certificate provided by any certificate authority like DigiCert or from any other certificate authority provider, then you won't see this error. But still, your application is working over HTTPS as we expected. Let me show you how to create our own certificate for this domain now. By default, we will have a command called OpenSSL. Using that, we can generate the certificate as we want. So use the command OpenSSL, and the out, just specify the name of the file, keynote ingress tls.crt, that is my out file, and the key out file, that is the actual key of that certificate. Again, keynote ingress tls.key, and with subject within the double quote just define the canonical name, that is keynote.learnitiguide.com. Just hit enter, and these are the two files being created by OpenSSL. At this point you have two options to create a secret within the Kubernetes. Either you can create a YAML file with kind secret as like this, and put the content of certificate and key file inside the YAML file similar to this, and just apply this file using kubectl command. Or you can directly create the secret using kubectl command itself without creating any YAML file. So I'm going to use the second option. I'm going to use directly kubectl command to create the certificate rather than creating the YAML file. So the command is kubectl create secret TLS, name of the secret, that is keynote ingress TLS, and on which namespace I'm going to use it, that is I'm going to use the default namespace, and key file with option -- key keynote ingress TLS.key, and specify the certificate as well using the option -- cert space keynote ingress.tls.crt. Just hit enter and use kubectl get secret to list out the secrets. So this is the secret we have created now, keynote ingress TLS. Let's open the ingress file we have used and just change the secret name to the new one, keynote ingress TLS. Just save and exit from this file and just apply the changes. So it is applied. Now you can go back to your browser and just refresh it. Again it works with HTTPS, but let us confirm which certificate is being used. So this is the certificate we have created now with 365 days and the domain name. If you still see our old certificate, you can just delete your ingress rule and reapply the changes. Surely your application will load with the new certificate. So this is how you can use your TLS certificate, or you can create your own TLS certificate and you can use it in your application to make your application to work with HTTPS. In the upcoming video, I will come up with more interesting topics. Till then, keep practicing and have fun. How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lanetguide.net.